Hey nail bosses, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a set of press-on nails. Now the first ones you've seen, I did not get to film, so I had to get these for you guys. But this set is going to be a set of duck nails, and this was my first time ever doing a set of press-on duck nails. So I feel like they didn't turn out too bad. The shape was, I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I was like just super happy with these as far as the shape, but we're gonna focus on the design of the nails. So the first thing that I did was one of those 3D looking nails that have been super trendy. So the first thing I did is I went in with my hard gel, which I do have available on my website, and I just went in and did like a few drops and different shapes with that gel, and then I cured for 60 seconds. After that, I did a gel top coat. I did my NC gel top coat, cured for 60 seconds, and then I went in and did the chrome. After that, I am just going in with my white gel polish, and I'm just kind of outlining those I don't even know what you would call this, y'all, these dots, I don't know, but I'm going in and just outlining them in white, and I am using my small nail art brush, which is a part of my set of 5 brushes, and this is just perfect to go in and just outline them. And I don't want the lines to be perfect because I feel like these designs are meant to be like funky and definitely no straight lines. So as you guys can see, as I'm doing the outline, I'm just kind of wiggling my brush a little bit. Next, I'm going in with my pink gel polish from my Essential collection. I'm just going to go in and do one coat of this and then cure for 30 seconds. And then I'm going to go in and do the Blossom gel polish. And I'm going to go in with my hot pink, and I'm just going to go in and with a dotting tool just kind of do ovals. So I'm just, as you guys can see, I just kind of go from side to side, and then I go all the way down, and then I go in on the sides. Now with this blooming gel, you do want to make sure that you're working fast because your polish, especially if you use a lot of polish, is going to spread pretty quickly. So make sure that you work fast. And then I'm going in with some white in the middle, and the blooming gel that I use is from a cart, so I'll be sure to leave the link and promo codes to everything down below. And then also right now I do have a 25% sale going on for 4th of July, and it actually ends today. So make sure that if you've been wanting to purchase something from my website, take advantage of that 25% off, because y'all, I don't know about y'all, but I love me a good sale. So I've been trying to catch these little 4th of July sales before it's too late, y'all. But next I'm going in with my orange, and y'all, look at how beautiful that coverage is. Like, I literally only did one coat of every color, and the coverage is just everything. But while that's curing, I'm just going in and adding some pearls and some silver stones. Now I did order some of my charms and some of my silver stones from Amazon, so I'll be sure to leave the link down below to that because I did not have that on my website. But after the orange cured, I'm going in with my NC gel top coat again, and then I'm going in with some chrome. And these little chrome pins I ordered, or actually I've had them for a while now, and they're actually by Madam Glam, but I don't shop from them no more, y'all. Like, I got beef with them, but that's the only thing I had at the time. But I'll be sure to find some on Amazon and tag them instead for you guys. But now after I did the chrome, I'm just going in and doing some super random lines, y'all, on this pinky. And then I am going to go in and add some charms. Now this client, y'all, like, she is, and I know like this style has been really trendy here lately, but this client, she's always been into the nails with like something different on every single finger. And so I absolutely love this set for her, and I've been wanting to do something like this as well. But for this finger, we're going in and just doing the tip with my neon color. And again, all of these gel polishes are either from my Essential gel polish collection or my Summer Vibes collection, which are still available. But now that we have the lines on this one and it's cured, we're going in with some crosses and some little piercing looking charms. And then while that cures, we're just going in, and I did the blooming gel on this one as well. And I'm just gonna do dots going down the middle on this one, and I'm gonna alternate between doing pink and orange dots, and then I'm gonna come back in and do more dots inside of the dots. Alrighty, now for this one, I'm just gonna leave clear, and I'm doing the blooming gel, and then I'm gonna go in with my neon yellow, and I'm just gonna basically go in and do the same thing. I don't even know what these would be called. Are they ovals? I don't know. It's like a mixture of like ovals and dots, and that's pretty much it. But for this one, I'm gonna go in and add a piercing. I don't know why, y'all, but piercings have been in style on nails, and so I ordered me a little bag of just a whole bunch of different piercings like these from Amazon, and they were super cheap, and I'll be sure to leave the link to that as well, because again, they've been super trendy, and they're literally actual piercings. But for this one, I'm just gonna go in and also add a piercing, and to glue these on, I am using my hard gel, which it holds your charms really good, y'all. So I absolutely love it and recommend it. But this is what this hand looks like. And then for the next hand, we're gonna do something very similar. So I'm going in with the French tip using the same neon yellow color. We're gonna let that cure, and then we're gonna go in and do this one with the hot pink. And y'all, when I say I was working, this is my actual speed, y'all. Like, this is not sped up. Like, I was working super fast on this set, because if you guys seen, you probably have seen on my TikTok or on my Instagram, but y'all, I've been baking cookies, and it's been about a month, and business is going really well. And so between doing nails and doing cookies and doing videos, like, y'all, I literally been like from one thing to another. So I've been running around like a chicken with my head cut off, but I love it. I appreciate you guys keeping me busy. So I just kind of been soaking everything in and just enjoying the ride. But anyways, I did some orange lines on the French tip, and then I'm going in with a top coat on a few nails. Like I said, y'all, I'm just kind of all over the place, but I just went with a top coat, and then I'm doing some charms. I did on the pinky, you really couldn't see it, but I did the same little 3D design with the hard gel, and then I did go in with a lot of chrome. So that's pretty much what this whole set is. It's just a whole bunch of chrome, a whole bunch of 3D designs with the hard gel, and then stones and charms, and more charms and more stones. But yeah, so this one I'm just going in, and I did some crosses, some pearls, some of the little smaller piercings, and that one actually, y'all, came out really cute. That, what would that be, the ring finger? It was super cute. But for this one, I'm just going in with my orange, and then we're gonna move on to the next one, which we're just gonna end up doing blue. So next I'm going in and adding a piercing on this one. So I'm just doing the one with the dye on there, and then cure that for 30 seconds. And then for this one, I'm going to go in with some pink little dots or ovals, whatever you want to call them. And of course, I did the blooming gel underneath first. And then for this one, I'm just going to go with dots going all the way down. And I also liked this combination with the blue and the orange, and then I absolutely love the combination with the pink and orange. It's so pretty to me. But I'm just going in and adding a few more charms, pearls, and silver stones. And y'all, the silver stones were so pretty. But here is the final look, y'all. They turned out so pretty. I love the color combination, all the charms, the piercings, the 3D nails, everything turned out so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoy.